was this all?
As you ordered, 300.
Little me rocking 300 subscribers, baby. Come on, let's get it. Sea Drift Dad, we're back at it again, celebrating 300 subscribers. Let's fix, diagnose a broken e-bike.
Damn, girl. Pick up your bike. Stop playing.
Will you stop checking me out and can you please help me?
Love that rear end, but she right, these e-bikes be way too heavy, man. The rear hub motor just alone is enough to pull your back in, bro. You be in hospital for a couple days out here. Anyways, we need to build something a bit lighter because I don't want to be riding on my own. Need this gal riding up front and I'm rolling in the back, staring at the rear end. Childish crap, right? But anyways, I don't know if I'm gonna buy one or search for a step-through frame. Surely that's lighter than a mountain bike. Mission: make it easy to handle ladies' e-bike. I'm gonna have to work this out. We're doing bike life. Back on the bay, we're searching for something. We want something. Before I wet myself, look at her. She's a beauty. Oh my, a full e-bike. Usually I buy a hub motor and look at the price. 25
British pound.
That's about $20, man. Anyways, description from the seller: electric bike in mechanical order, cuz. But battery and electrics need repairing. I got you. I'm guessing it's 250 watts, not for long. Hey, let's talk. Let's go get this e-bike. I'm too excited, man. It's got a basket, a rack, hub motor, everything. We're gonna get this full e-bike right now. No time to waste. We in the car. I see the tar. Destination ain't far. Driving or riding. Do you ever daydream about that rear end? I daydream. Oh,
Wake up, boy.
I'm awake before I end up in the wrong rear end. Metal rear end. Focus. Not to worry, people. I am hands-free and paying attention. Camera is mounted in my eyeballs. We got this today. POV driving. Then we get this e-bike, fix this e-bike, and get that girl back on the trails. Therefore, today's adventure is buying a broken electric bicycle and then fixing this broken e-bike. Better than on the advert, better than in pictures. Stands on its own with its own stand, picnic basket, hub motor, twist throttle, everything seems right here. What a beautiful step-through frame. This is a beautiful e-bike with its own rack at the back, suspension on its seat, big butt seat, so comfy, its own fuel gauge, voltmeter, twist throttle, sky blue paint job, front and rear, metal mud guards, and a see-through chain guard so you can see where the dress is caught on the chain. This is excellent. Already cycling with a flexible chain, not rusty and solid. Front and back brakes already sorted for me, cable out, but they're fine. V brakes. Let's get to it. I think the problem is we need power. First, let's check out the battery. Let's see what's inside our battery. This is not looking good. This is SLA batteries, lead acid, old school technology. Not good at all. I hate these heavy batteries, make your bike heavy. Opening it up, I can see there's a wire that's kind of cut off or broken off, and it seems to be coming from the charging port. So that means charging this battery would have been an issue. There's no way you've been able to charge this SLA battery, and after you don't charge them for a while, they don't charge at all. Damn. Lithium battery power. That's the new technology. That's what we're messing with. 36 volt big boy battery right there, 28AH. I need to sort out the connections, but we'll get to all that. Battery needs to fit in the frame. Right about there, that'll be nice. This connector is a dud. I'm gonna take it off. I don't need it. I am basically changing the casing on the battery, placing a lithium battery inside the original casing to try and keep the bike looking standard. Trying to build a little sleeper, baby. Controller will be changed at a later date. More power, that's already on order. Maybe 1,000 watts on this little hub motor, overvolted. See how it goes. Battery seems to be fitting all right, but the seat doesn't sit right, so I guess I've got to lift it up a little bit. Minor problem, minor issue, no big deal. Right now we need to see if our electrics actually power up since we now got a working battery. Play just snapped on me there, using the wrong tool. Out with the old, don't need this connector anymore. No? Just me? Come on. Comment down below. Let me know. There must be someone else out there that uses their teeth for wire stripping. Okay, so I'm about to touch the positive wire onto the positive wire of the controller for the first time. I don't know if all hell's about to break loose. Hopefully no magic smoke, no sizzling sound, snack, crackle and pop, none of that. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, and connect for the first time. Okay, the spark is normal. We should know this. No heat, no much smell. That spark gets me every time. Anyways, make sure I keep them two separate. I don't know how to turn the controller on and off yet, so let's just go mess around on the handlebars. Let's see what we got. We're at the handlebars and look at this. We got a voltmeter that is saying full, high. That's what I was expecting. The battery is high, so maybe it's on. I got this, got lights button. Maybe we can get some lights, eh? Pressing the light for the first time in 3, 2, 1. No lights. Right, next to it is a horn button. Let's try that. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, it's got a horn. Best e-bike I've ever had with a horn. Oh my god. We got it, the lights don't work. That could just be a bulb though. It is this as well. I don't know what this does. We'll switch here. Flick it that way. I don't know if those are on and off button. Anyway, we gotta try the throttle, right? Trying the throttle. Nothing. Nothing's happening. Let me try this little switch. Back that way. Try the throttle again. Nothing. I think it's a 3-way switch. I'm not sure. Maybe it's just a speed switch. 1 and 2, 3 speed type of thing. Let's put it in the middle. Nothing. Maybe it's pedal assist only. Try that. I don't feel any extra juice going. I got voltage. I think there's an on and off switch. I'm missing. I might have to disconnect the electric brake as well. That could be stopping things working. Either way, we got power. We got a horn. No lights. No drive to the motor. Dude, there is wires going to the pedal assist. See it? There's a wire there, so we're not getting power to the motor or the pedal assist. Maybe we can find the on and off switch somewhere. It's not that either. Try it with the stand off maybe as well. There's some sort of switch. It's a stand off. Let's try throttle. Nothing. No dip in the gauge as I'm trying to do it. I don't think I'm drawing any power at all from the battery as I'm trying to do that. I'm missing something. Just gotta work it out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get to the controller, disconnect both brakes just to make sure the brakes are not locked on, telling the controller not to give any power. I'm gonna make sure of that first. If that fails, at least I'll be in the controller side. I can see what else is going on. If that fails, I have got another controller that I know works. Yeah, could be that. Could be that the controller's done, for all I know. Oh, throttle stuck on. That's not good. That's not good. You'll be like, oh my god, that could kill you. So WD-40 or something needed for that. We just play with it. Maybe I can free up some dust or something, you know. Nothing. got this mad situation. If the handlebars are turned to the right, like so, pull the throttle, the system works. So yeah, I gotta figure out why it will only work while in this handlebar position. Not a problem that way. Straighten our bars. The throttle does not work anymore. And to the right. And it works. Maybe I was pulling on the, I don't know, one of these wires. Maybe it's the brake wire. So I'm gonna take off this wrapping. Hopefully that releases the pressure when you turn it or whatever. I don't know. See what we get under this wrap. Unraveled this wrap in twig and moving them around whilst playing with the throttle. I've come to this section. This is the throttle wire from the throttle. When I pulled it out to be loose like this, I don't want to touch it in case it stops working. Now when I pull the throttle, handlebars are straight to the bike. It now works. Ooh. I might snip, and a touch. I cut the problem section, culprit, and chopped off quite a big chunk. You always get extra wire from the throttle anyway, so I chopped off about a foot or so. Just got these temporarily like this, and every time I hit the throttle now, it works, and it works in any position. Yeah, fixed. Gotta put it all together, and I think we got ourselves an e-bike. Yes, electric bike gang. I'm at the back where I belong. That can only mean one thing. We done it, baby. We bought the cheapest broken electric bicycle on the internet. Subscribe! Fixed it, and now we're gonna ride it like we love it. Disclaimer. In no way, shape or form is this a tutorial on how to fix your bike. This was just my solution of getting another e-bike on the trail working, so I got a riding partner. Please do not take my advice when it comes to wiring, etc. There's better tutorials on how to fix your broken electric bicycle. We love this bike life. Enjoy the views. See you on the next one. 300 subscribers, loving it. Stick around, more action to come. We got a GoPro on order, baby, so the video quality will improve. Good day out. Right now I'm filming this on my Samsung A70. This is the video quality of a Samsung camera phone. Nah. 250 watt hub motor, handling this off-road test run quite well. Maiden voyage. One finger braking on the front brake. I'm risky, lad. What's going on over here then?